Most students fail the Fusion 360 certification for one simple reason. They don't understand this hierarchy right here. Sketching to body to component to assembly. If you get this wrong, your entire model breaks. So let's break this down. All right, here we are in Fusion. I'm in assembly mode to show you how the hierarchy of workflow parts kind of goes. So the bottom of the pyramid, you've got sketches. So here in assembly, they are their own folder. Sketches are your 2D geometries, your lines, your circles, your arcs, foundation of everything. If you remember when we make them, they've got to be fully constrained, at least that's best practices. That means black line. Line color is important in your Fusion certification. They must live on a plane, so flat surface, be it an origin plane, know what origin planes are, or a construction plane. Know the different types of construction planes. Sketches are the blueprints, and they're used to create 3D features, which are bodies. Those are their own separate folder. Sketches do not reside in bodies in Fusion. Bodies are your 3D shapes. They are the result of doing things like extrude, so adding or removing depth, revolving, taking a shape and spinning it around an axis, sweep, taking that same closed shape or profile and taking it along a path or a line or a curve or a spline, loft, connecting multiple profiles together. Those are the main ones. There's quite a few other ones, but those are your biggies. All of these are separate sketches and bodies existing within a component. So here in our assembly, you've got your square icon representing component, bodies represented by the round peg, sketch represented by the 4 lines showing it's a 2D sketch. Components are a container for organizing bodies and sketches. They are essentially your real parts. They have their own origin, they have their own sketches, and components are what enables joints, motions, and for components to be assembled together. Assemblies, top of the pyramid thinking here, that's multiple components working together. You build them by using joints, be it the different types, revolute, slider, etc. And you define the motion and the relationship and the constraints between the different components to assemble them. Assemblies are your system of parts, your system of components. So here's your one-line flow. Sketch, body, component, assembly. That's your pyramid. Lock it in. Sketch, body, component, assembly. Lock that in. And then you're already ahead of most students. If this helped, subscribe for more Fusion certification tips. And if your sketches still won't turn black, watch this next.